Today I'm going to show you our newest feature, PowerPoint track changes. If you struggle to keep up with all of the changes in your PowerPoint reports, this feature is just for you. You'll be able to track changes to text, tables, charts, and UpSlide Excel links directly in PowerPoint, as well as exporting a markup version of all of the changes. Once you open the track changes feature here on the left-hand side of the UpSlide ribbon, you'll be able to compare this report with previous versions through other files that are saved in my folders or use SharePoint versioning. You'll then be able to see all of the changes directly in this right-hand side pane for edited, deleted, and added content. For text changes, you'll be able to see the old version in red and strike through, and the new version right here in blue. Simply press on that specific change for UpSlide to highlight it directly on the slide for you, where you'll be able to accept or reject that specific change, or even accept or reject at a placeholder level. If I am to reject this change, you'll be able to see that the slide and the placeholder will automatically reflect that change, and I can also undo it if I wish. It's also very easy to navigate through the track changes pane by using the previous and the next arrows here at the bottom to navigate through the entire report to find out exactly where the next change has been located. For tables and charts, you'll be able to see a previous version by selecting on this eye icon to compare both versions. You'll be able to see that directly in this window, the changes that were done here in strike through in red and the new version here on the right hand side. For UpSlide Excel links, you'll be able to also see a previous version as well as opening the Excel link manager to find out more information about that specific link. You also have an extra tab, which is our presentations tab, where you'll be able to find all of the slides that have been added, as well as any slides that have been deleted, where you'll be able to once again press on this eye icon to see what the deleted slide was, and also retrieve it if you wish. Last but not least, if you want to export a markup version in PDF to send out to your clients, you can simply press on this Generate the Changes Report as PDF button for UpSlide to automatically create the new PDF version for you, where you'll then be able to share it with your clients.